I can't tell you exactly what happened as to why I sabotaged this connection we had, but I am certain that I was a pride and ego issue. But now, I question why I feel so empty when I get what I want. I never imagined feeling this way over any person. You truly left an imprint on my life like no other. Even after all this time, I weep in sadness of the mistakes I have made. Ending our love so far was the biggest mistake and regret of my life. I lied to myself, thinking that love was not real. I thought it was too good to be true and it would never last. I doubted my ability to take care of you like a real man, woman. I always believed that true love is not meant for me. Clearly, I was wrong. But people and situations in my life made me think that way because no matter how good I do to others, people always have complaints from me. So when you appeared, I questioned it and rejected you out of fear and ego. I know it was a bad move on my part, but I am ready to take it 100% false of running this what we had. Please trust me and give me another chance.